Good morning, everyone. So today I'm starting the poem "If." The name of the poet you can see it is mentioned here, Rudyard Kipling. So here in the poem, let us start with the title of the poem "If." So if is what? In a simple language, if I want to explain, if is a kind of a condition, a situation, a terms which comes in our life according to the poem and what it is mentioned here. So if is what? A kind of a condition, a situation when it is given to you in a life or in everywhere anywhere it is given to you. So if the situation is this, what you need to do? If the condition is this, what you need to do? The if is just like this. So here in the poem, father is sharing his experience to his son John, and he is teaching the lesson to John that there are certain situations in your life will come where you have to face lots of struggle, conditions will be given there, and so many people will be opposing you, no one will be in support of you. There will be a certain situation in your life when it is called a struggling period. So what you need to do during those period? So it if is just based on that kind of a poem, and listen, it is for us also, those who are reading it. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing there and blaming on you, as I said earlier, when all the people are opposing you, no one is in support of you, in that particular situation also you have to be stiff, you have to be hard enough. If you can trust yourself, the only reason to be hard enough is that you have your self respect, you trust yourself that you have not done such mistake for which you are blamed. If you have trust in yourself when all men doubt you, when everyone is doubting you, when everyone is trying to prove you wrong, you should stand still, you should stand hard, you should stand held, keeping your head high above, to prove that still I am right, because you know better than others. But make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, means you have to keep patience. Don't worry in that particular situation. Don't give up or being lied about. Don't deal in lies. There will be certain situation in life when people will be telling lies about you, when people will blame you. In that particular situation you have to be hard enough to deal yourself. Or being hated, don't give way hating. If someone is hating you, don't it should not be there. If someone is hating me, I should also hate him or her too. It's not necessary. Hating should be replied by hating others. And yet, don't look too good, not talk too wise. You should not be too wise enough. You should not be too good enough by your behavior, by your nature, by your talk. In that particular situation, you have to just keep patience. If you can dream and not make your dreams master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, means you have to dream, but don't take that dream as a passion. Don't take that dream as a all the motto of our life. There are various situations in life where we will come to know that our dreams are not fulfilled. Yet you need to live a good life, yet you need to have positivity in your life. So it means that somewhere in life if you fail, don't lose the hope. Don't think that life has its end, because there are still the beginning in the life. There we learn so many things from our mistake, we learn so many things from our failure. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two imposters just the same, means whatever situation is good or bad, you have to deal both the situation in a very calm manner, in a very smooth, keeping the patience. All these things should be treated in both the situation, whether it is good or bad, whether you have won or you have failed. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools. Because people will set up a trap, people will set up a kind of a situation where you are trapped in that particular situation, but still you have to keep trust in yourself, and you have to make those fools realize what you are, and stood and built among with the warmth of truths. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtues, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, means wherever you reach in your life, whatever you become, you should always be down to earth. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, means treat your enemies, your friends, everyone in the same manner, because we learn so many things from our enemies also. It's not that only loving people care about us, it's sometimes enemies cares a lot about us as comparison to the loving people. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men can count with you but none can too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minutes with 60-second worth of distance run, your is earth and everything that is in it. Means you have to, ultimately the message from the poem what we are getting is, you have to keep patience in any situation, whether the situation is good for you and whether it is bad for you. And which is more, you will be a man, my son. A man here refers to a matured man, because now his son is a boy. A boy refers to a stage where lots of immaturity is there. But if you are able to deal all the situation what is mentioned in the poem by the father, so he is telling you are going to become a man. A perfect man is the one who has the capacity to deal any difficult situation, good or bad, in their life. So children, just what you have to do, I think the poem is clear to you, and afterwards you just need to see the question answer as it is mentioned here. So question answer I'll be giving you in the PDF format, it's better. So you need to learn the word meaning, and you need to learn the poet's name of the poem, and just once you go through the summary as I taught you. Thank you.